Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the contrast on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the first option, the edit photo at the upper side of the screen, and select a picture from your gallery. You go to the fifth option, the adjust at the bottom of the screen, and go to the third option, the contrast, and just follow the line on the scale and you can edit the contrast of your picture. And you can select the people or the background contrast. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.